animosity. Go check out the wasp.
I think he flew away. Oh no, I got him in the shot.
No, it'll hang around for a bit.
So, Aries.
Yes.
Year 3 of train riding,
Yes.
driving.
Several hundred days of just doing this.
How's it been?
Hasn't been bad. It's been repetitive, but it's been very scenic, as the camera hopefully suggests. With trees and the sky, just being in touch with nature. Of course, trains fumes don't help.
Yeah.
We get enough of that in the city. Your timing is perfect, by the way.
Thank you. I wish I was an owl so that I could just like turn
Rotate your head.
Exactly. Hi to the people on the log.
You already are one who eats small birds.
This is true.
Although you tend to cook them first, it's good.
Alright, so can you safely say the blue train is your favorite train?
I can't really differentiate. Well, no, I can differentiate, but I can't. It would be like picking between two children at this point. The red and the blue, I have gotten to know very well. They're very different. And you know, there was a portion this summer where the red train was actually faster than the blue train.
This is true.
For a good week and a half, the red train was flying.
Those trees are my favorite. They're so big.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
They must be so old.
Like all of these trees, look at how much character the bark has.
I know.
Oh, gotta get the cows, gotta get the cows. I love these cows.
Yo.
The calf this year wasn't as
How
stupid as the
lonely.
one last year, because whenever the train would pass, the calf would freak out. This
Really?
one learned to make peace with the train very early on. I did freak it out once because it was peeing against the fence and I pet it and it wouldn't have any of it.
I just got a really good ass shot. I jumped into the cow pen one time, like,
Oh, really?
like 2 years ago, when it was the brown cows.
Oh yeah, the brown cows were pretty. Wasn't the mom brown and the baby black and white?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think there was some cheating going on.
It's a matter of time until that tree falls. I'm grateful it hasn't.
Another of my favorite trees though.
Yeah, that tree has.
Turn. Hopefully we'll get Jacqueline in this.
She seems very unimpressed.
As she usually is with me.
What are her videography for this?
Few and far between.
My favorite Easter egg of the whole train ride is the sheep used to be kept here, and then a couple of weeks ago they were moved over there, which is unfortunate. But
What kind of animals?
the sheep, they used to be here.
Oh
but they're
yeah.
now over there.
Have you ever watched the sheep sheared?
No. Although it's really cool that you can make sweaters out of their wool.
Yeah,
Is wool flammable?
I imagine so. I started knitting last summer, and my grandma told me when I got really good at it, she would teach me how to do something different. I haven't gotten very good at it.
I learned cross-stitching in grade 5, and I took it up as a serious hobby until my parents told me that I shouldn't just get into a hobby because they make me sit with an old woman at school for several hours. I legitimately went out, bought the surfaces, the thread, and I had bad vision, and so poking the needle through the holes was actually rather annoying.
Yeah. Oops, I got my hand in the video.
If you'd like to see something interesting over this bridge, the view there is nice, but look at this tree as well. Look at how much it actually extends almost the whole length of the bridge.
Wow. This is a nice camera. There was a dead Finding Nemo fish there this
stuffed animal? Yeah, it has since floated a few feet. It was there for a good chunk, maybe 2 weeks.
I like that fish.
See, this wasp is still here.
Oh.
They're really making a mess on top of this. I haven't really bothered to clean it because I like watching the habitat of wasps while I'm working.
I climbed the moose the other day.
Nice.
This kid wants it.
Will they walk on the track? The answer is probably not.
Don't do it. Here it goes. The best bell ringing in the world. One of my favorite memories, and all I can think of usually when you ring the bell, is of Brandon when he was antiques foreman, and he would stand in circle with the stop sign and rip it off.
Elon.
Oh, there he is. I was looking for him.
Yep, he does that.
And
probably good.
Oh.
Look at all this scenery, huh? This is an amazing
It's beautiful.
It's not like being stuck on a platform or a station or a booth.
Yeah.
Even this green coverage is fun. We're underneath the hill right now.
I know.
One time I threw the steam whistle in here. It was a big mistake.
Oh my god. Did anyone complain?
Nope. It's an instance of safety that the steam whistle be blown in the tunnel to echo loudly. Note the significant height advantage that the bumper boats foreman always maintains over his staff. He will occasionally lean backwards to associate himself with their height until he chooses to differentiate by standing straight.
I'll never forget when you told me that I didn't have very much confidence because I wasn't as tall as James. Whereas James...
James is going to go far in life. He's tall and he has a nice haircut.
And look at us now. I need a haircut and James is a foreman.
Even the trees here, I mean, wow, like Tree City. You get away from buildings, what do you get? You get trees.
It's nice. Favorite part, the stop.
I don't even need the brake at this point.
I know, you hop off while it's still moving.